Unraveling the mystery of interrogative determiners. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new English language learning video. Today, we will dive into an important area of grammar, interrogative determiners. Specifically, we will understand how to use interrogative determiners in questions. Let's start unraveling this grammar mystery together. Interrogative determiners are a type of determiner that we use in questions. In English, our primary interrogative determiners are which and what. They are used to ask specific questions about a noun. For example, we could ask, "Which book do you prefer?" or "What color is your car?" In both of these examples, which and what are being used to ask questions about a specific noun, book, and color, respectively. Choosing between which and what can sometimes be tricky, but here's a simple rule to follow. Use which when the number of choices is limited. For instance, which dessert would you like, cake or ice cream? Here, the choice of dessert is limited to 2 options. Use what when the choices are unlimited or unknown. For example, what is your favorite book? In this case, there are countless books from which to choose. So, what is the appropriate determiner to use? Another important point is the use of interrogative determiners with singular and plural nouns. Both which and what can be used with singular and plural nouns. For example, we can say, "Which shirt do you want?" singular, and "Which shirts do you want?" plural. The same goes for what. "What movie do you want to see?" singular, and "What movies do you like?" plural. Interrogative determiners can also be used in negative questions. In this case, they express surprise or disbelief. For example, what? "This isn't your car." Or, which? "You don't like any of these cakes?" Well, that wraps up our exploration of interrogative determiners in questions. Now you know the difference between which and what, as well as how to use them with singular and plural nouns, and even in negative questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these determiners in your daily English conversations and soon, they will come naturally to you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video useful in your journey to master the English language. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons.